Got something? Can't help you there.
Wrong kind of real estate, my friend. Huh? Wrong kind of real estate, my friend.
Are you still hooked up? Okay, let me see what else I got in my little box of horrors.
I might have it. Hold on.
Oh, you got it?
Give me a second.
Take your time.
It's good.
Oh, you broke it off?
Yeah.
Well, I only got bigger stuff.
Sorry, dude. I broke it.
No worries. Here's bigger stuff. You wanna try a bait?
Yeah.
Okay, but I'm out of sinkers though. But Whitehall, do you have any sinkers?
Yeah, and that clear bag.
This one? The duty free?
In the bottom of it, obviously.
Okay, did I hand you a sinker just now?
Yeah, I threw it in the bag.
Let me feel for the heavy stuff. No, that's a different sinker. Cool. Digging for it. Got it. No, I don't. Okay, those are your special sinkers. Got it. Got it. Okay. You're gonna bait for it.
Live bait.
What?
Livey.
Live bait?
Live? Yeah. Just kidding. That's pretty fish.
You want a live bait?
Alright, let him go.
I think we should do it. What? I think we should do it. Can't help it if I'm mean.
Tina.
Okay, what we need now is a strip.
Yes! You got a bird!
CTS free!
Fucking new rod, man! New rod! Hey, don't leave me hanging, bro! Shit, new rod!
Why wait? Why wait?
That is funny shit right there.
Yeah. Why do you get preferential treatment?
Like $1,000 rod.
I'm not any longer
I
than
need to
you.
buy a lottery ticket.
Fucking A. You shining me.
I got
Only
it.
for Eric. It's not for any of the other.
Yeah, there you go.
New rod.
All right, Eric.
Yeah. Explain that one to your wife. Yeah.
I got it for free. Did you really?
Did you really?
Thank you.
I don't believe you.
It was free. The line and the reel was 12 grand, but the rod was free.
Can I have a piece of fish?
Yes.
Yeah.
That was the funniest thing all week.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So that goes in this side. Comes out the tasty side.
Des, you went to all that work. Do you want to fish?
Do I get to pick
No,
the
I
color? No.
So what do I do when it hits? Start cranking when it hits, or give it a second?
Okay, you'll
Cranking
know.
when it squawks.
He'll pull, and you'll pull back. Okay, so you hit the ground, and then you just reel up once, and then you leave it there, and he'll come
That's
and
it.
and it'll whack. Yeah,
So let it hit
What
the
do you-
ground, reel up one.
yeah.
So
And then leave it
that's just
there.
straight down.
Just straight down.
Okay, all right.
Thank you,
God,
sir.
I don't want to poke your ass. Just drop it straight down. Don't
Drop it straight down. We're
Adrian.
we're sitting in a boat for a reason. You do know what boat is, right? Oh, that's a nice one.
This is a nice one.
Oh, that's dinner size.
Actually, that's you already dealt with dinner.
You should be able to see them eat it. You should be able to see them eat it. It's so clear here. It's amazing. It's like fishing in a fish tank. Did you want the sabiki?
I was thinking about it, but I don't want what you said, so I'll just use that.
You can drift it. You can drift it with some bait on it.
I could, yeah.
Just one crank off the bottom.
Yeah,
You don't jig it or nothing.
you could jig it, but they'll come. Oh,
Fucked up.
Bluefin!
oh, sashimi!
You dirtbag! Eric, release the sashimi! Oh no!
Face hook. There you go. Yeah. Same thing, TJ? Should I just let it sit on the bottom? What?
Nice shark out there.
Wanna go say hi? Ride a shark? Ever ridden a shark?
I've caught plenty of
We should keep
sharks.
chumming and we'll try
I
to
don't
catch
normally
him.
ever. I throw them back, but they don't ever seem to be moving. Thank you.
I'll catch the shark. Catch the shark, Brian, you gotta eat it. The guys like to eat them. Oh yeah. Hell yeah.
I'll take it. Throw it back without the thing on.
Alright, well, if you come by again, I'll jump this over and go.
Ayan, ito sila po dyan.
Udah nu abien tuan.
Lu ajira uang kono kok sila kono itu.
Ada ni kau boleh tuan nak boleh. Oh, nak kena ada jadi kita ya boleh tuan ada apa ini.
Ayo uang.
Ini kena kan boleh.
Hey, get us some sashimi. Is that fake food?